Hello. Today I'm going to talk to you about how my high school, Heritage High School in Littleton, Colorado, has promoted cultural diversity in the community and among the students with our Make a Difference Week, or MAD Week, and the cause that didn't start the idea of MAD Week but has been our main cause over the years, our sister school in Sierra Leone. So you can see here, and I'll move my face a little bit, MAD Week is a yearly celebration and fundraising campaign that the students, staff, and community in and around Heritage High School run every year. So the students vote on a cause, and then they do a lot of different activities and events and fun, collaborative things to raise money for that cause. So as you can see here, our 2021 cause was the Wild Animal Sanctuary, and they raised $23,000, which sounds like a lot, and it is, but that's not even the highest number that we've gotten over the years. In 2020, we kind of obviously had to dial things back, but still raised a significant amount of money, but it was more about community support and reaching out to people and making sure first responders felt supported, and there were just a lot of little things that had to kind of change at the last minute, as so many other things during COVID. In 2019, they chose Heifer International, which is an excellent charity that kind of empowers people in low income and socioeconomic status communities and empowers them to farm and sell different kinds of goods and kind of be self-sufficient versus just throwing money at a community without direction, which is pretty cool. But what I'm here to talk about today is our sister school in Kabala, Sierra Leone, and the most recent drive for them was in 2018, as you can see here, and they raised $30,000, which is crazy. And since MAD Week started, they have sponsored the school for 9 years total. So pretty cool. Here's a celebration video that I might just link when I post this, because I don't think I'll have enough time to show it, but it's pretty cool. Next up, you can see kind of what MAD Week provided for this sister school, and through this, so many of our students had the opportunity to learn about another culture and see the good and the bad and everything in between that, that we learn when we travel and when we learn about other people and their triumphs and their struggles and all that good stuff. So you can see here, these are some different activities that the community participated in to raise the money. And in 2018, like I said, it's around $30,000. And with that money, that just during that year, they built a kitchen and bought all the cookware for that kitchen. They purchased solar lights and bikes for the students and for the teachers to get to school every day. And before that, the fundraising efforts built the school, built a well, maintained the school, painted things, kept things up, which just was pretty cool to see through the years. I've only been there for the past 5, but you can see the changes that have been made over time. And then here are just some origins of it and fast facts. You can see the company that kind of started it, Operation Classroom, and our school partnered with Operation Classroom to get this going. And like it says there, the relationship enriches students in both continents and allows Littleton students to live out Heritage's mission to develop leaders who are globally, culturally aware and engaged in overcoming the challenges of the 21st century. So just connecting with people in different places, which is pretty cool. So yeah, that's our cultural diversity piece at my school, and the more people know about everything that's being done in that relationship, the better off we are. Thank you.